Okay, so I am starting today's video, which is Sunday's vlog, with a very exciting thing that I'm doing here, which is sorting through my underwear drawer and throwing out stuff that I'm not going to be bringing with me because I'm packing, because today is moving day. I'm so excited. I am moving into the apartment today with John. The two of us were over there last night and we were just like, oh, I'd love to stay here tonight, but we still have so much moving to do and so much packing that it just was a silly idea last night to move in. And also yesterday was Saturday night, and I don't know if it's like all over Ireland, but my nanny is very superstitious about like moving in on a Saturday night, because she's like, Saturday sitting is early flitting or something like that, which basically means you won't settle and you won't be happy if you move in on a Saturday. I don't know, it's just an Irish like one of those kind of like things, I don't know. And I know my friend Amy believes in it as well, so I didn't move in last night because it was Saturday night, but I don't think there's something wrong with Sunday. I don't know. Anyway, we're moving in on Sunday tonight. John's off tomorrow and Tuesday rather. So we're gonna have a bit of time together to kind of like put up curtain poles and all that jazz. I got loads of things from Home Savers as well, B&M, whatever you want to call it. So I thought that might be interesting for you guys to see. Who would have known that buying curtains is so expensive? Like, I did not realize that curtains were so expensive. Any curtains that I've ever bought before were like real like cheap ones, because I was like, I don't really care about the room, renting, whatever. So buying nice curtains is expensive. And I have my eye on the Kylie Minogue ones, but maybe down the line I might get them because they're like, I think €170 for nice decent curtains. It's not too bad, but it's just I don't know how long they'll take to get here, and what if they're not nice, and I don't really like buying online, but I did have my eye on them anyway. So B&M or Home Savers is where I'm getting my curtains, and they're ordered in, so can't wait to get them. They're really nice as well. And I got a few bits like I said yesterday, and I'm going again today, so I'll do a haul on all my B&M stuff because it might be interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to sorting out through these underwear drawers so that I can bring my cabinets, which are over there, I don't know if you can see them there, and then I'm like trying to sort through makeup here, which is it's just a mess. So I hope you guys enjoy my moving vlog today, and yeah, I will chat to you in a bit once I've done this, because sorting through underwear drawer is not very exciting. Because I don't have any wardrobes yet, John and I are going to go to IKEA tomorrow. I'm going to pack any clothes that I want to bring, like obviously like pajamas and like jackets or jeans or something that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. Decided I'm going to bring these jeans with me. I'm just going to fold them up, put them in here. And I'm just going to bring this big oversized pink jumper. I'm going to bring a pair of pajamas, these black jeans, and this like kind of grey top, and then this off the shoulder one from H&M, just if we go anywhere tomorrow that I will have like an outfit to wear. Do you get me? So my car is jam packed with stuff at the moment, and the boot is full as well. Yeah, so here we go. It's exciting, so exciting. And I'm just, I'm so tired, but I'm like a good tired, if that makes any sense. I'm just kind of, my daddy's so cute. He got me kindling for the fire because we didn't have any kindling, and I just didn't get a chance to get it, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna light a fire, kind of air out the apartment and get the heat going, and you know, the usual. I have to bring so much stuff up the stairs as well, so it's gonna be like a million trips up and down, up and down, up and down, but it'll be worth it. And then I need to go to Penny's because I have to get towels. We don't have any towels, and I think I said that already. I need to go get towels. I have a list in my bag of things I need to get, so Penny's is probably going to be like the main place that I attend today. Yeah, so that's it. It's very exciting. It's all very fun, and I can't wait. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to live with John. Like, I really can't. I'm so excited. I'm also really excited for tonight. We are getting an Indian, and I can't wait. I love Indian food. It's like my favorite food ever. I love it. Other than Thai food, which I really like Thai food as well. And I want like mango chutney and poppadoms and garlic naan bread. Oh Lord, I can't wait for it. I think I'm either gonna get buttered chicken or chicken korma. Usually I get like Rogan Josh or jalfrezi or one of the more tomatoey based ones, but I'm feeling like something a little bit smoother tonight. I'm dying for it. It's 2:30 already in the day today, guys. Today has flown by. Like, there's just been so much going on today, and the day has flown, and I mean flown by. And I'm so excited for John to get home as well, so that we can like move all his stuff in as well. And then my mum is going to come to the apartment as well, and she's going to help me clean and like do the windows and stuff like that, like the little bits and bobs that I've kind of like overlooked. I did clean the windows once, but they kind of get like dirty again, like, and the carpets were put in since then, so there's like dust and dirt and stuff accumulating, and then it was raining, and the outside of the windows are not my forte at like cleaning. So yeah, that's all I need to fill you in on. I'm gonna go and yeah, we'll get moving this in, and I'll show you what progress I've made when I make some progress. That is everything out of my car so far. I'm trying to like put this down here. It's just my shelves. So it's everything out of my car so far, and I still need to go and do so much more because I've like loads of runs to do. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to kind of like deal with what I have here, which has got to do with like clothes and drawers and stuff, and then I will, I guess, kind of work on the other bits and pieces that I need, you know, like getting more clothes, wardrobes in, stuff like that. And I'm out of breath because I was just like pulling stuff out of the back of my car and like trying to do it really quickly as well, because my car is obviously open and it's in like the car park there, and you know, people walking by and stuff, and your car is open. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna work with what I have right now, and then I'll show you what I get up to or what progress I've kind of made. I have like the cutest parents in the whole entire world. They gave me like a bag of kindling because, like I said, John and I didn't get time to do that, so I'm gonna light the fire here. But they're so cute that they did that. Just totes adorbs. So here we go. I'm just gonna open this. This is the remnants of some sort of fire that John and I did try and have last night. So I'm going to put the fire lighters in there and the little bits of kindling on top of it. And I'm going to take this big log out because, as all ye know, fire needs oxygen, and that big log is not going to give enough oxygen. So you don't need a fire log. You just need good kindling. Yay, so we're starting the fire. Hopefully it works and stays lit. I don't know what you've seen since the last I was in here, but I've kind of decorated the surround a little. I've also put stuff in the window, and I have my curtain pole there, and I kind of put some throws and pillows. These pillows are not like the forever pillows, they're just temporary throw. And then I have a little bed end table. And we are going to leave this here for the television for now until we get a better unit. And then I just got this, I have this, it's so ugly, but it's just going to have to do for now. It's just a little bit of lighting. And I think you would have seen the bedroom. I kind of showed you that in its all its glory and what way it was looking, because I decorated it yesterday. But these two pillows are from B&M. You'll see them in a B&M haul coming up soon. Home Savers, if you're in Ireland. I call it B&M because I don't know why. Home Savers is the name. And then I decorated the top of this just for now, temporarily. These are John's units. I told you before, like, he can do whatever he wants to, but that's how far we've gotten now. And then last night we made a little bit of progress in here because John actually stuck this up, and we now have power. This all works. It's great. So I'm just going to take these bits away because what we actually did was just left them there so that this would stick to the wall properly with the adhesive. But that's what that looks like. It's a good job. It's a splashback. Not the prettiest thing ever, but it's needed. Ah, there we go. I made fire. Woohoo! And I just put the big log in then on top of it now because it's raring in there. Brilliant. Oh, I'm just out of pennies now and I got towels and everything. And this place is chockers. It's just gone 10 past 8. 10 past 8? 8 minutes past 4. I don't know where I was going at that. So I'm kind of nearly done for the day, thank God. I was intending on just filming a haul, a Penny's haul as well, so I probably will do that now when I get home and then continue on with the work that I'm doing for the day, which is just packing, unpacking, moving in, stress, but all good stresses. And my God, this place is like Piccadilly Circus. So busy today. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. I feel like I haven't really been talking to you much today because just like me running around stressing about getting everything in. I made myself a mocha there in the apartment and now I'm trying to figure out where I would get a pack of knives and a pack of forks because I was in Home Savers, I was in Deals, and they don't have just the knives and forks, they have like a whole set. I don't need a whole set. And I think by tomorrow I'll be like fully moved in, like, which is kind of exciting. Like I'll be in, like I'm not like gonna be 100% in because I still have stuff to do, like hang up clothes and get like a, what you call it, like a wardrobe and stuff that I have to put clothes and stuff into as well. My parents were in with my auntie last night. You know, her dog got attacked. I was talking about it yesterday and the day before, and he has to go back for a checkup on Wednesday, and if he is improved then brilliant, you know, he's going to be fine, like. But if the vet doesn't really think that he's going to have any sort of quality of life, then they really need to rethink a few things in regards to him. So everybody keep your fingers crossed, say a little prayer that when he goes into the vet on Wednesday that the vet will say, yeah, he's going to have a, you know, he's going to have a healthy life and he's not going to be in pain and he's made a full recovery, because to think that he would lose his life is just beyond, I can't actually deal with that. Like even just thinking about it right now is just upsetting. So I just hope that that's not the case, because it would just be awful. It really honestly would just be awful. We are nearly finished season 3 of Game of Thrones, John and I know we're getting close to like the good episodes, you know, like the real juicy episodes where I can't wait for him to see. My mum, of course, last night let something slip. She was just like, oh, has this happened yet? And I was like, shh. And like even John copped it. He was like, oh, your mum let that out of the bag. And I was like, okay, it's not a major thing, but I was like, still, mum, you could have totally spoiled everything right there. You could have spoiled it all. So thankfully she didn't let out too much of a spoiler. But that's what I hate about watching a TV series and like people ask you questions. Oh, how did you feel when this happened? You're like, I haven't seen that bit happen yet, but thanks for ruining it for me. Oh, it used to kill me with Game of Thrones. I remember one person ruined like a whole season for me because they mentioned something extreme that happens, and I had just started watching Game of Thrones, so I think I was only up as far as season 4 at the time when I started watching Game of Thrones, so they ruined one whole season for me. Yeah, Ramsay's in it now as well, and we were watching an episode last night and he was like, oh, fair play to him, you know, helping out Theon, and I was like, oh yeah, fair play to him. Oh yeah, fair play indeed. Wait till you see, just you wait. Ramsay is like he infuriates me like he's supposed to, because he's an evil individual. Oh, so evil. Okay, I just filmed Penny's haul, so that should be up on my beauty channel in a little bit. Right now I'm going to put all the clothes that I've just purchased somewhere away, kind of like out of my sight, because they're just taking over the world. They are taking over the world. Can we just look at this? This is all piled high of clothes and towels and bags. And oh no, I forgot to feature this thing in my haul. Oh no, it's a hairband. How did I mess up with that? That is so sad. You were too cute to forget. Anyway, I'm gonna put all this away now and try my best to find a little home for everything. And the towels are gonna be easy enough to rehome. First night in, and we got our Indian and our TV. I'm so excited. Yummy. You get the end of it there, John. I think you missed a bit. Hey guys, so we just had our Indian. We're just watching some TV and it's time for me to say goodnight. Our first night in our new home. And I'll talk to all you guys tomorrow. I love you. Mwah. Nene.